Hello Facebook. Today on How Hugh Thrift Store Finds, I'm going to show you a couple of things, baking items that I came across today. The past few days have been rough, probably 3 days with nothing, because I will not overpay, and I swear they have the crackheads pricing things because they are just ridiculous. And I'm not talking about the Goodwill. I'm talking about a couple of mom and pops. I'm talking about Salvation Army. I'm talking, and the Goodwill too. They're getting stupid on their prices, and when they do, I don't buy. That's just all there is to it. That's how I let them know that I won't do it. I just won't spend the money, because if you want to make money reselling things, the easiest way to make money is to not lose money. And buying things at too high of a price or buying things that just don't sell is guaranteed to lose your money. And every dollar that you don't lose is $2 that you don't have to make a buck. So if it's too expensive, don't buy it. And don't bother telling them it's too expensive, because they hear that all day long and it doesn't even matter. So maybe they're not in business to make money. Don't know. Anyways, let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I have is a corncob muffin pan. And I've owned 2 or 3 of these over the years. I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to bake with it. So it's a vintage one. It's made in the USA. It has a C on it, so I'm not sure which company that is. It's not a Loge, because they almost always put their logo on it. And theirs are a little different down here. It might be a Wagner, but there was multiple companies back in the olden days when they made these. I don't even know what year these things are. It's really hard to judge the age on cast iron. At least for me it is. So who knows? Don't know. But I'm going to keep it. Okay. This right here is a bread baking bowl. I didn't even know that they existed. This was made by Emerson Creek Pottery, and they still sell these. So this is a current production from Bedford, Virginia, King Arthur Baking Company, Emerson Creek Pottery. And so I'm going to clean this up a little bit. It has a little bit of staining on it. And what you do is you basically, you make up your bread, and there's all different kinds of recipes. So it's for a pretty big loaf. And you actually put your dough in here, let it rise, and bake it right in the bowl. The temperatures, these go up to 450 degrees. You clean it with just warm water and no soap or anything like that, because it will, this is porous pottery, but it will supposed to withstand the temperature. So I'll be trying that. So these are 2 items I'm going to keep, and I didn't pay a lot for them, and that's kind of a win-win situation. If they had been very, 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 very valuable, like if somebody would have paid $100 for that bowl, I'd have sold it. But they're not paying $100 for that bowl. And these things, I hate to say it, that's a $5 pan, and I didn't quite pay $5 for it, but that's about all it's worth, plus shipping, because it's heavy. And it cost somebody $15, so they'd be spending $20 plus tax, and that's all that thing's worth. And I paid a lot less than that, so I'm gonna keep it. Alrighty, out.